Hey, in this video I will show you how to install CMake separately. It should be installed with Visual Studio, but if you wish to use it with any other IDE, you can install it separately. I will not be showing or supporting other IDEs in the course though, so if you choose to follow that path, make sure that you know what you're doing. We open up a browser and search for CMake. The first result is usually what we want. When you open up the site, you will find the download on the top right. And here we scroll down. We need these options, which is the Windows x64 installer. The download starts and quickly finishes. I click on the next and accept the license agreement. Then on this option you want to select to add CMake to the system path. This is usually the last option. Then I go next, next and then install. The install takes a few seconds. And after that we're done. This is everything you need for working with CMake.